Welcome to Rare Shikshan Samstha's Western Region video series YouTube channel. Standard 7 Subject General Science. Lesson name is Properties of Natural Resources. Video number 6. Previous videos we see the properties of air and water. Today we see the properties of soil. Color is an important property of the soil. Soil get its color as a result of several processes. The properties of the soil such as fertility, drainage of water, capacity to hold water become clear from its color. The color of soil depend upon its texture and organic ingredient as well as chemical ingredient like iron and lime. One activity is there: 3 measuring cylinder, 3 glass funnels and filter paper. Feed the cones of the filter paper in the 3 glass funnels. Fill the cones with equal quantities of sand, sandy soil and clay respectively. Place the funnel on the measuring cylinder. Pour 1 test tube of the water into each of the funnel and observe how much water is collected in each measuring cylinder. So what inference will you draw from this? Next point is soil texture. Soil contains particles of different size. The texture of soil is determined by the proportion of particles of various size in it. So on the basis of texture, first one is sandy soil. The proportion of sand, that is large particle, is high in sandy soil. Water drains rapidly through sandy soil. It is easy to plug this soil but less fertile. This is because particles of sandy soil are made by mineral called silicon dioxide. These particles do not dissolve in water and therefore soil is very little capacity to supply nutrients. Second one is silt soil. The particles of silt soil are medium in size. Silt soil is not pluggable as sandy soil. It is much more pluggable than clay soil. This soil contains large proportion of organic material. Its capacity to supply nutrient is much greater, and silt soil is also called sedimentary soil. Third one is clay soil. In this soil, proportion of small particle is maximum. The particles of clay soil feel smooth to touch. Clay soil has a high water holding capacity. Next point is soil structure. The structure of soil depend upon different shapes of particle in it. Soil occur in the form of columnar, laminar, granular as well as block shaped structure. The importance of the soil structure is that the fertility of soil depend upon soil structure. First one, root gets sufficient supply of oxygen. Second one, water drainage is good, therefore the roots of plant grow well. The next point is uses of soil. There are 3 uses of the soil. First one is plant conservation, to help plant grow. Second one, water conservation, soil hold water, as a result it means bunds and lakes, we can get water for use throughout the year. Third one is plasticity, soil can be given any required shape. This property of the soil is called as plasticity. Because of this plasticity we can use to make articles of variety of shapes. This article can be baked to make the hard. Water storage earthen pots, lamps, idols, bricks, etc. are the articles made from this soil. Then some useful types of soil. First one is china clay, means kaolin. It is white in color. It is used to make crockery, bathroom tiles, tanks, laboratory apparatus, mask and jars. Second one is shadow soil. It is white in color. It is used for baking statue and idols. Third one is terracotta soil. This soil is red in color. Decorative article and pots used for growing plants are made from this soil. Fourth one is multani soil. This soil is used in cosmetics. Next point is soil testing. The proportion of the various ingredient in soil can be determined by the soil testing. During the soil testing, the soil is examined proportion of organic matter in it. Soil is tested to find out there is no deficiency of any ingredient, and to decide measures should be taken to remove deficiency. Soil sample collected, testing, dried in an open space and shed for 8 to 10 days and sifted through sieve. The two tests, namely pH and electrical conductivity test, are particularly useful to find out characters of the soil. Cause of diminished soil is soil pH is less than 6 or higher than 8, low proportion of organic matter, no proper drainage of water, repeated cultivation of same crop, and continuous use of saline water. Great scientist Sorensen put forth the concept of pH based on the concentration of hydrogen ions to determine the pH of the soil. Takes the water and soil in proportion of 1:2, taken tested using several indicators. One of the following three types of the soil. First one is acidic soil, pH is less than 6.5. Neutral soil, pH is in between 6.5 to 7.5, and alkaline soil, pH is higher than 7.5. So today we have to learn the properties of the soil, the structure of the soil, texture of the soil, some uses of the soil, and soil testing. So please like, subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you.